you ask me for an advice, it will be invest in you. Invest time in your education. It's the only way to become the stylist you want to be. At L'Oréal, we have a clear mission, and it's to be your lifetime partner during all your career path. Since the very beginning when you start at school, but also during all the steps that you do along your career. You can be a salon manager, you can be a salon owner. We are here for you. We inspire our pros in terms of technical part, artistic, with the best pros of the market, but also into business. And it's super important because business sometimes is not that easy. We have created the new L'Oréal Business Academy, completely focused on developing our stylists into their salon management. Here we have our super access platform where you can study all the theory. So when you come to the academy, you are super prepared to enjoy and upskill yourself with this practice with our amazing team.